Hello, and welcome to KnowledgeHut. There are three main artifacts in Scrum: the Sprint Backlog, the Product Backlog, and the Product Increment. In this video, we will be discussing the Sprint Backlog, so let's begin. The Sprint Backlog can be seen as a plan devised by the team on how they are going to build the Product Increment. The Sprint Backlog can be considered as a subset of Product Backlog on which the team has decided to work in the current sprint. After selecting the items of the Sprint Backlog, the team discusses how it is going to work on them during the sprint planning meeting. The plan made in the sprint planning meeting doesn't need to be detailed, but the team members should have clarity at least on the set of Product Backlog items which they are going to deliver in this sprint. Additionally, they should also have a rough plan of how are they going to work together in order to do it. For doing this, the team can create a rough list of tasks which are to be performed in order to complete each item of the backlog. By creating the list of tasks, the team can also assess that whether they are committing to do the right amount of work or not. Just like Product Backlog, the Sprint Backlog should also not be expected to be a perfect plan. It will also keep changing with time throughout the sprint. A great team may be able to figure out the majority of the tasks, but it's impossible to know every requirement of a complex project at the beginning itself. Even if everything is figured out, situations will keep changing, leading to changes in the course of work. This is why at the end of the sprint planning meeting, the team comes up with a rough plan of its future coordination. During the sprint, as the team begins working on each product backlog items, conditions change, and team members discover new tasks which are required to be completed. These tasks are then added to the Sprint Backlog. So this was how the Sprint Backlog is created, maintained, and used for a smooth execution of the sprint. We hope that you understood the concept with the help of our video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep upgrading your knowledge.